Oh, the cattle are prowling and the coyotes are howling out where the dog is bald. Spurs are jingling, the cowboy is singing this lonesome cattle call. He rides in the sun till his day's work is done, and he rounds up the cattle each fall. Do 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 do, singing the cattle call. For hours he'll ride on the range far and wide, when the night wind blows up a squall. His heart is a feather in all kinds of weather, and he sings his cattle call. He's brown as a berry from riding the prairie, and he sings with an old western drawl.